Yo you guys, so today we just have a pretty basic video, it's nothing special. We're gonna look at this USB flash drive, the high speed one with 512 gigs, so that's kinda exciting though. And I liked the way it looked, so I thought, well, why not just do a quick video about it. But yeah, it's not gonna be that exciting after all, because it's just a USB flash drive, but still. Mm, so let's open this up. It is really um it is really common, or it really comes with 512 gigs on here, so it's not just like the saying and then when you stick it in there's only 400 or something, so that's pretty exciting. It has this really nice magnetic cap, which I like. It's USB 2, so that's good. Yeah, USB 3, what the hell am I talking about? And yeah, it sticks on there, it protects the cover, so no data loss or anything like that can happening because there's dust or something going in there. And that's all that's in this package, but I am really happy I found this and I'm using this for work, and maybe it is something that's interesting for some other people as well, so I thought why not just do a video about it. Yeah, but that's it for today, and I would say I'm better out.